Now we're going to focus on a movement called Elephant and Inverted V series, where we're working on disassociation of the hip, core control, and axial elongation. Starting first with 2 variations at Elephant. Inhale. Ready? Flip the toes from there. That was 4. Inhale. Exhale, plank out. Up stretch. Jackrabbit. Hold it, back to inverted V. And release. And the inverted V series is completed by doing some very challenging movements. I'll be showing push-up variation while Tina is showing inverted V in the opposite direction, without the stability in our shoulder girdle. For 3. And come up.